Assalamu alaikum everyone. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let other students join us. We'll be starting the class.
Hello, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning everyone.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Hope you all are fine. Okay. You know now what you have to do first? Your attendance.
Only 4.
Write your name, write
Teacher,
present
yes.
teacher. Quickly write your name, class, section, present teacher. Whosoever already joined me. Start writing the message. Yes, Fahad, now I have listened your message. Yes, we are taking the class. Miss Zainab never take the day off. So never think I will skip the day. It might can happen. I can take 2 classes, but I won't miss mine one. Okay. Still the students are joining.
Teacher, your voice is not clear.
Now, am I audible to you all? Is it clear now?
No.
Okay. Hello everyone. How are you all?
I am fine. Thank you. How are
Yes.
you?
Am I audible to you all?
Fine.
Am I audible
Yes.
to you? Are you able to listen to me?
Yes.
Okay, a big yes, Parva.
Yes.
Sure. Okay. Fahad, today you should recite. Please start the Quranic verses. Please. After that, I'll start the class. Can you recite, dear?
Teacher's voice is not coming. Teacher,
Yes, but Fahad, you.
Teacher,
Bete, Farwa, kindly raise hand. Are you getting the voice? Assalamu alaikum.
no.
Aurelia, are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Hasib. Zainab, Zafar,
Yes,
bete, check your
teacher.
internet connection. I think there is something wrong at your end. Check your internet connection. Okay, Farwa, I am unmuting you. Please unmute yourself and you should recite now. Because Fahad, mic is little bit slow, so you should recite. Farwa, please recite the surah.
Okay, teacher. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah, Subhanallah, bete. Very good, Kirat, you have. Okay. My dear, everyone who's not opening their camera, I want them, please, it's a request. Kindly open the camera so that you will be visible to me. And I get to know what are you doing right now. Are you with me or you are somewhere else? Show it to me, please. I think there is something wrong with internet. With Zainab Zafar's internet, I think. Again, she signed out. Okay. I'm starting the class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful. Yesterday we did an application writing. Is that so? We did the difference. Please raise the hands of yours. There is no need to nod the hat. Only raise the hand of yours. By raising hand, I can easily judge You are getting it. Very good. Very good, my dear. Okay. So listen it carefully. In our first class, after preposition, we have done the difference between formal and informal letter. Like,
5:30 पे उनकी होगी
what
क्लास
is difference between a formal and informal? Two things we did. Is that so? Raise the hand. Okay. Was that clear to you? If you got the lecture of formal and informal, thumbs up. If you did not get, raise the hand. If you got that, say yes. This is your yes. Very nice. Very nice. You got all previous lecture? Wow. Very smiley faces. Thank you, my dear all. But I'm just because of yesterday problem, I'm reviewing my lecture again because yesterday if you were sharing, I'm not getting it because I wasn't able to share the camera and I wasn't able to share the screen of mine. So again, I'm repeating from start the application writing to clear you more. Then we will move forward. Am I clear? Raise the hand. Hi to me. Okay. Now I'm sharing my screen. I won't be able to look at you. Okay. Are you all able to look at my screen?
Yes.
Okay. The first topic was the difference between formal and informal. So what is the formal way? The formal way is followed a certain pattern and it is strictly professional letter. And we directly address the issue concerned. Be very formal. Excuse me. Who was taking out the voices? It is really not good to interrupt the session in this manner. It's very bad manner. Okay. I'm continuing it again. Anshara joined us. Okay. We did the difference between formal and informal letter. Formal letter, it's in that we directly address the issue concerned. We have to be very formal and we cannot write any irrelevant sentence in that. Clear? Formal letter we write to administration, we write to our principal and for official purpose. Informal, we can write contraction, we write to our siblings or relatives. It's completely informal because it's our personal conversation. Clear? Raise the hand, please, if you got that. Very good. Now moving from like the next step, after that we did the steps and formats. Okay, look at all the formats: semi-block, modified block, and block. There are three writing pattern, the three formats. We discussed this as well. Okay, the difference between in these three are in block, we write each and everything from left hand side. And in modified and semi-block pattern, what do? We write the address and subscription and closing in left hand side. Clear? This I'll be clearing you by writing as well. Am I clear? Raise the hand, please, if you got the lecture. Very good. I'm moving forward now. Okay. This was the application which I have shared in assignment with you. Now, one more student joined us. Assalamualaikum, everybody, be punctual and try to come on time, all of you. Okay. So, the first step of writing an application is the address, the heading. We also call it heading. Here we mention the address. The principal, to whom I'm writing to my principal. So of course, I'll be writing the school address. So I have written over here the principal, St. Gregory High School. I close the address with comma. After that, I put the Karachi. And here I mark full stop. You should be very careful when you're writing the address and adding. After that, I have written the subject. It should be very brief. And directly you have to discuss a single sentence. You have to discuss a single sentence what you are requesting over here. So don't exaggerate the subject more. Just mention your reason why are you writing it. So I have written very brief sentence, application for sick leave. You can also write in this manner, requesting for sick leave. There are the two manners to write, but sentence should be very formal and brief, and it should be properly punctuated. So you should close it with full stop, and you have to start with capital letter. If you think there is any proper noun, so you have to capitalize this. Okay, moving forward to third step, salutation and greeting. You all know when we are writing the salutation and greeting, we will start with very formal words, very honorable words. So I'll be writing in the manner, respected sir, honorable sir, and I will close the greeting with comma. Then I'm moving forward to the body, the fourth step. You know, body is the main part of an application. Here we mention the complete content. Why are we writing? What's the major purpose? What do we want it? We do mention. But you should write very brief sentences and directly you have to discuss the issue. Okay. There are several formal manners to write. So I have decided to write in the manner with due respect. I requested that I am a student of class 6. I am sick, so I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me 2 days leave from 10 to 11. So there are several other manners as well, like with great respect, because the first part of the body is the opening. Here we mention from where we belong to, why we are writing. So the major purpose I have to mention in the first 2-3 lines. That is the opening of the body. Then in the next paragraph or next sentences that are connecting to it, that should contain very relevant sentences and appealing. It should be very appealing. But you should not discuss any irrelevant topic over here. For example, I'm asking about the sick leave and I'm discussing something else. So that will be irrelevant. So stick to the point. Now, the last 2 lines are the closing. I shall be appreciative if you approve my leave for the aforesaid days. Here, I also can write in different manner the closing, like I'll be very thankful to you for the act of kindness. There are several other manner as well. Okay, this was the closing of the body. I sum up the whole application in closing. Now I'm thanking, and after that I have written subscription, then my signature, and class, roll number, and date. Date is really very important. Okay, this is the overall application. Now I'll be guiding you from a start. What is the block, semi-block and modified block? What is the major difference between? Now Wafa join it again. Okay. No issue with him. Okay. Look at that. You know, you can omit, because in the new pattern, we can omit 2 when we are starting it. So are you able to look at that what I'm writing right now? Is it visible to all? Please raise the hand. Raise the hand. If you raise the hand, I'll be getting it. You are getting my lecture. Very good. Look at that. To whom I'm writing? I'm writing to my head, like the principal, headmistress, headmaster. So I will mention over here the complete address. The principal, comma, principal of which school I have to mention over here. So I have mentioned over here. You know why am I writing this? I'm writing it for you. In this manner, you can differentiate the three formats. I also put the comma over here. Now I'll be writing the city and I will close it. It's done. Now the subject, request for 2 days leave, or request for extra classes I have given you. It could be any. If I'm asking for the certificate, the transfer certificate, my character certificate. So if I'm asking for to issue something, request for the issuance, I'll be writing subject. But request for issuance of certificate. But if I'm asking for to grant leave, so I'll be writing request for sick leave. Leave I can ask for several purpose. For if I'm going to my brother's wedding ceremony, so for that I'll be asking for leave as well. So that is over there. You can't write the sick. It's not the sick leave. At the time you will be writing request for 2 days or 1 day leave. So here I'm writing request for 2 days. It could be any. Now I'll be writing the third step, the salutation and greeting. There's several manner to write, but here I'm using respected sir or respected ma'am. You know, the major thing what you have to observe over here, in principle, you cannot judge the gender because we use for male, female both. Whether they are sir or ma'am, you can write principal. But if it is mentioned in the question to write to your head mistress, head mistress mean you will be writing to ma'am. It should be lady, and for lady we use ma'am. Clear? And if it's mentioned in the question that you have to write an application to the headmaster, so over there you will be writing respected sir. Clear? Because it's really confusing. Sometimes few students don't notice it and they directly start. So you should be very careful in that. Okay, moving forward, I have closed my greeting with comma. Now I'm starting my body. Look at that. Right now I'm observing the block pattern, and everything which I'm writing right now is from left hand side. Carefully observe the space which I'm giving. So please be careful when you are writing it. Okay. Over there I have mentioned with due respect. You know, I can write with great veneration, with great respect. There are several formal manner to write. So I'm writing over here with great, it's also formal and very respectable manner. With great respect. I'm writing my name. You have to write your own name. Right now, I'll become the student for you because I'm guiding you how to write as a student. With grade, it is to state that I, Zainab, think that I'm in 5th standard or a student of somewhere. So I, comma, Zainab, or request You know, when you are writing formal application, at that time you cannot use contraction. So, you know, if you're writing in the manner of won't, it is incorrect, because in formal application we don't use contraction. So avoid using the short forms. You have to write will not over here. This is the correct sentence. All the time you have to write complete sentence. Don't write it only understand, Parva, because you will be getting this recorded session and not be able. So here I have completed the whole content. Now I'm closing it. When we ask request for leave, so we request to grant leave of these days. Look at that, I'm writing yours, I'm closing it. I will not look at that. I will not mark apostrophe over here. It's incorrect. So don't put apostrophe. Directly write yours. Sincerely, Zainab. Okay. After that, I'll be mentioning my class. And at last, I have to mention the date. Hope you're getting it. Look at that now. I have to mention the class, the section, and at last, I will mention the date. There are two manners, as I told you before. We can write in two manners the date. In words as well, in numbers. It's really better to write in words. So the month, I'll be writing month, date, and year. Now, look at that, what we did today. We have understand the all the steps about an application writing. How to write an application to our principal if we are requesting for sick leave. Okay. The major difference is that when we are writing the modified block or the block pattern, it's that. Look at that. Here, it's over here in the left side. But when I'm writing the modified block, so it was the old version that we write in the manner. But now in these new modern, we write how we write everything from block pattern, and we observe that. But you should know how many writing pattern we have. This is the difference. It should be in left hand side, the first step. Clear? Raise the hand if you got that, Betty. Very good. So this is the heading, the first step. Inside address. Okay. Then we have written the subject. What we did in subject? We write very brief sentence, the major purpose. Why am I writing this? What's the major purpose? So a brief sentence, very short, and it should be punctuated one. Request for 2 days leave. I close the subject with full stop. And the main thing is that I've started with the capital letter. So the punctuation is really very important when you're writing it. After that, I have written the greeting and salutation. I've started with formal words. Respected ma'am, as I told you, if in question is mentioned, had mistress, so you will be writing respected ma'am. But if in question it's written, write to your headmaster. So over there you will be writing respected honorable sir or honorable sir. So it's up to you. You will be using honorable sir or respected sir. And you have to close greeting with comma. Clear? Okay, body has the 3 paragraphs. It should be divided into 3 main parts. Opening, then you have to add little bit content to it, and then you have to write the closing paragraph. As I already have discussed with you, at last I have summed up the whole application in the closing paragraph. Then the last step is subscription. Then I have marked the signature and written the class and date. The date is really very important. Now I'm stopping the share. I'm stopping it. Okay. Raise the hand if you wish to ask any question, my dear. Okay, Hamad. You wish to ask any question, dear? Wait. Okay, I'm unmuting you. Yes, Hamad, bete.
No, teacher, I does not have any question.
Okay, you do not have any question. Very good, bete. You got the complete lecture? Unmute yourself, bete.
Yes.
Okay. It means if I'm giving you to issue a certificate from your principal, will you be able to write it?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, Amma. This is the confident. Very good. Okay. Anyone else who wish to ask any question? Fahad and Umar. Wait, one by one, beta. I'll be okay. Umar, first, I'm unmuting you. Please unmute yourself.
मिस आपको जो यूनिवर्सिटी में जो
Try to
होमवर्क
communicate in English, my dear, please. Umar, you are the good speaker, my dear.
Okay. Miss, how do I give you the homework?
Okay, I'll be telling it to you how I can submit, how you can submit the assignment. I'll be telling by sharing my screen now. I will guide you. No issue about it. Okay? Okay, Fahad. Unmute yourself, dear.
I have done my application work.
Fahad, you're little bit not clear to me. Write message because your voice not getting. Bacha, your voice is not clear. So kindly write message. Extremely sorry, I'm unable to get you. Please, Fahad. Umar, be attentive. Stop doing this rough thing. Ali Ahmed and Uzaifa, where are you, beta? I told you not to close the camera. Please avoid it. Yes, Uzaifa, you wish to ask any question? Raise the hand if you wish to ask, please. Anshara?
Miss Fahad is saying that he has already get it.
Okay, I got it, Fahad, got it. Fahad, you can message by yourself. Look at the screen, beta. Near participant, there is an option of chat. CHAT. Go to option and from there you can write message to me. Please write your message by yourself. You're in 5th standard now, my dear. Grow up. Do things by yourself. Okay. Shall I guide you how to submit the assignment now? Raise the hand. Okay. I'm sharing my screen and I'll guide you how to submit the assignment. Okay. Are you all able to look at my screen, my dear? Raise the hand, Prabha. Are you able to get the screen now, which I'm sharing you? Very good. Okay. When you are signing into University, go to homework section, click. The homework bar will appear. When it appears, look at that. Here, overall assignment is mentioned, all the assignments. Here I'm showing my daughter's assignment to you. But there, when you open your own ID, it will show your own assignment. Okay? Look at the 3 bar. It's mean to cross, because the person, if the person submitted to it, will show the check. But if you did not, so it will show the cross. But this is the bar to view. From the second option, I can view my assignment. What did teacher give you? Look at that by clicking this icon, near book. One icon is a book. From here, I can add assignment. Look at that, add. I will click this add button. By clicking this add button, this window will appear. Fine. When this window appear, I'll be clicking this browsing. Look at it, I will browse. So wheresoever you have saved the pictures of your assignment, whatever you have done, you will submit it to me. Then you will click on submit button. This is the whole procedure. Okay, I'm unmuting you all. Any other confusion? If you wish to ask to me, please raise the hand. Yes, my dear. You wish to ask anything? Anshara, I'm not able to look at you, bete. The camera is not showing your face. Where are you? Okay, you are here now. Thank you, dear. Umar, where are you, bete? You left somewhere. Fahad, open the camera, bete. Okay, Hasib, want to ask. Hasib, bete, my class time is going to end quickly, bete. You know my QA time is 5 to 6 p.m. So if still you wish to ask anything, you can message me through University from 5 to 6 p.m. Click now. Go to University and join me over there. I'll be online for you. Yes, Hasib, bete, unmute yourself.
टीचर आपने इससे पहले जो आपने हम लोगों को लेक्चर समझाया था, उससे जो आपने पहले किया हुआ था उसमें 2 लिखा था, लेकिन जो आपने हम लोगों के सामने लिखा हुआ था उसमें नहीं था.
Yes, beta, it was the old version. Na? That's why I did have guided you. You know, as days upgrade, things update. So we have to move on now. Things update. Things should be updated now. So we have to move with the era. Things which are omitted, we have to omit that. Things which are upgrade, we have to upgrade that. Simple solution. So you can write, it's not the incorrect manner. Click. Is this fine? Writing 2 is not the incorrect manner. But things are upgraded. So we are moving forward simply. Yes, my dear. Any other question you wish to ask? Better raise the hand, please.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome, my dear. Okay, Ali Ahmed. Okay, today Ali Ahmed wish to ask something. Yes, Ali Ahmed.
Teacher, I was asking that जो आपने application writing हमें दी है, उससे हमें block format में करना है.
Yes, my dear. क्योंकि mostly we write in block format.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. Anyone else? My class time ending. I have taken 3 more minutes. Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone. Take care of yourself. Hope you got the lecture. See you soon. Bye.